Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hope you're doing fantastic today. My name is Tyson, here with Repair My Funnel, and today we're diving into the world of lead magnets inside of Canva. Now, specifically, we're going to be walking through how to utilize their templates to make this process as simple as possible, get the ball rolling very, very quickly, and make sure that, you have the right tools for the job. So with that said, let's go ahead and jump over to my screen here and walk through everything you need to know. Before we dive in, I have something awesome for you. It is our QuickStart Blueprint Ebook. It's the ultimate guide for your service-based business looking to get set up online the right way without all the tech headaches. Whether you're just starting out or trying to improve upon what you've already set up, this ebook is packed with a bunch of tips, tricks, and overall strategies that can help you grow your business. You can grab your free copy below by clicking the link in the description. With that said, let's go and dive into the video. At this point, Canva is an all-encompassing design tool that you can use for your business. But today specifically, we're going to be talking about the templates that Canva has to offer. So over here on the left-hand navigation, you'll see the option for templates, but you can also go in and type in anything that you're looking for right here at the very top as well. This is a little search bar. You can be very specific as far as what you're looking for. Maybe ebooks, checklists, planners, calendars. You can type in anything that involves design, and you should find some sort of template here. But starting things off, let's go over here and click on templates in that left-hand navigation. And on this page, you'll find all of the available categories that you can start from. If you don't see it here, again, you can just go up here and start typing it in. For instance, you don't see one for ebooks specifically as you scroll through here. Let's see, pretty sure. Yeah, there's nothing for ebooks specifically here, but if you type in ebooks at the top, you should find that there is, in fact, an ebook template, right? Search for ebook. There we go. A lot of these are going to be covers just based off of our terminology there, but you'll find that some have multiple pages. Just like that. If you hover over any of them for extended periods of time, it will slide through all the given pages for the template. If you want to be even more specific, such as like multiple pages, there we go. If we're looking to actually create an ebook here, this is probably what you'd want to type in. You can hover over it, let it slide through, so you can get an idea as far as what this design will look like throughout the entirety of the ebook. There you go. So there's multiple of these, but you have a good starting point for, I'd say, an ebook foundation if this is what you're looking to do. If you're looking to create a planner, you can go over here and type in planner. Now, I know the term lead magnet incorporates a lot of different things, such as checklists, worksheets, planners, ebooks. The list goes on, and you can find most designs here. But let's say that you found the design that you would like to use moving forward. If you click on it directly, it should show a pop-up in the center of the screen, and from there you can go in and view all the pages first off, but you can go in and actually customize the design. So if you want to customize this template and make it your own, just click on this button right here, and after that you'll be met with a brand new tab that has this design ready to be edited and customized to your liking. When you're done going in and making all your adjustments, let's say we want to change this to hello. There we go. You can go over here to the right hand side of the screen, click on share, and you should be met with the option to download. Click on that directly, and from there you can see a file type drop down from which you can select one of, I think, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, I can count 8 different options here as far as file type goes. The main ones you'll probably end up using here for static images or resources for people are probably going to be PNG or a PDF. But either way, you have options here. It's not limited in any way. You can even edit your videos on here, which is crazy. I've never done it myself, but I know they have the capability to do so. So if you wanted to, you could also create videos on here as a lead magnet and edit it and export it and all that fun stuff directly from the platform. So that is an option if that's something you're looking for. But yeah, all right. After that, you should have a downloaded version of whatever design that you've created here, and you're good to go. From this point moving forward, the design that you created will show up on your home page. Go back to home, right? It'll show up over here on your designs or recent designs area. So if you ever want to go back and adjust anything, or copy it maybe for another lead magnet that's very similar moving forward, you can just go over here and click on it directly to edit, or click on the 3 dots to manage this specific design, such as make a copy or open up in a new tab. There's that. Now, I know we kind of just walked through everything like it was nothing. Let's do it one more time together as if we're actually about to release something to the public as a lead magnet. Starting off from scratch, we'd want to just go over here to templates. From there, we can scroll through and see if they have the exact category we're looking for. we go. You can scroll down. There's a bunch of different things as far as starting points go. Logos, you got business cards. But let's say that they don't have what we're looking for. And what we're looking for is a checklist, right? So we're going to look up checklist at the very top of the screen. And from there, we can scroll through until we find the design that we would like to use moving forward. Let's go with this one right here. Looks pretty straightforward. We're going to click on that directly. From there, we can look at both of the pages, or actually in this case, there's 4 different options. So you can get a good understanding of what we are going to expect in the editor. If we wanted to, we can scroll down and see if there's any other better designs that catch our eye, catch our attention, that are close to this design, but maybe, I don't know, have different font that we like or whatever it might be. But for now, we're going to stick with what we have here. Click on customize this template and should take us into the editor in a new tab. At this point, we can go through and edit everything we want, such as the actual items in the checklist, the images being used, all that good stuff. All right, first off, let's start with text. How do you go in and edit the text inside of the editor? Just click on it directly, and from there, we'll actually double click. From there, you can go in and start typing as you would normally with any other word processor. Go in backspace, right? Hello there. This is a test. Now, as I start typing, I can see, let's get rid of A. This is test. This test. There we go. Looks like it formats properly. As you start changing things up, make sure that if you want it to look the exact same, your text and everything that you're putting there kind of matches up fairly close to what the template was listed as. If you run into issues where maybe you need more text, you need more space, that's perfectly fine. You can always resize anything that you see here, including text, images, literally everything. It can all be scaled up or down. Let's say that is the case for this guy right here. We just need to give it some more room, and we want to bring it a little bit closer to the side here to give it some more breathing room. You definitely can on either side. The process is very similar for images, right? If you click on an image directly, you can then go in and you can move it around. You can go in and expand it. Totally up to you. If you drag one of the circles on the corner there. If you ever wanted to add anything to this design that wasn't already there, such as images, maybe some text, you can definitely do so. Just head over here to the left-hand navigation and you actually see 2 options for each of those. Elements is going to include things like the design aspects, the images, the illustrations. You can see shapes over here. If you want to add like lines to it, whatever, you definitely can. And that's all going to be located within elements. If you click on that directly, you'll then be able to go in and search right here at the top for whatever it is that you're looking for. Now, let's say we're looking for an image of a house to really bring our design together. Click on the search bar here, type in house, and just like that, we should be shown a couple different options. You'll see graphics, photos, frames, videos. There's a bunch of different things here right off the bat, but you can filter further up here at the top, and it'll even give you suggestions as well if you're looking for specifics, right? So maybe we need a house icon. If you click on that directly, it should show that term or whatever would be represented by that term. If you want to see more of a specific thing, again, you can use the filter options here at the top, or just click on see all for whatever one you see right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on see all for graphics, and we'll find one that we like. Let's see, I kind of like this one right here. Let's go and drag it and drop it. Just like that, it now lives on our design. And size this down, drag and drop. We're going to put this at the top of the design. And I'm going to center it up as well. There we go. Now, the last thing I want to cover here inside of the editor is that you can change the color for pretty much everything. If you wanted to, say, change the text color for this headline, just click on it directly, and up at the top, you should see an option for text color. It's going to be represented with the A and a color bar underneath it. If you click on that directly, it should show you the color panel on the left-hand navigation. At this point, you can go in and type in any colors that you're looking for, or click on the color wheel here, and you can adjust based off of look and feel, right? So we're going with a bright, vibrant red. There we go, we got it, and we can leave it just like that. Now we can do the exact same thing for illustrations. If you click on them directly, you should see an option for color. Click on that, and you should then also see the color editor over here in the left-hand navigation. And from there, you can, let's say we want to choose the exact same color, you definitely can, but that's basically it. With this last edit, let's go ahead and pretend that the design is perfect and exactly what we're looking for. We're gonna go in and click on share in the top right side of the screen. From there, click on download, and we're gonna go ahead and choose the file type. For this example, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the option of PDF standard, and I'm gonna leave it as is. All right, from here, we just have to click on download. And just like that, our design is now living on our computer. Now, I know this wasn't a full in-depth training on Canva. Honestly, that would take way longer, and it will likely be an episode that you'll see coming from us in the future. So with that in mind, though, we definitely covered a good foundation for you to go in and create your lead magnets on the platform here, utilize it to your best ability, and make sure that you have the right foot forward when it comes to creating these different assets. It definitely makes the process a lot easier to go in and create assets for your business, such as ebooks, checklists, anything visual that requires a little bit of design. It's going to be your right-hand man. Alrighty, with that all said, that is a wrap for today's video. If you have any questions around anything we covered, make sure to let me know down below. Or if you're just lost when it comes to creating lead magnets for your business and would like a little bit of help with that, just leave a comment down below with your business, the type of business it is, who you serve, and just some information that will help me better understand what it is that you do. And then from there, I can point you in the right direction, give you some examples or some ideas that you can maybe run with moving forward. Anyways, have a fantastic rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next video.